So hey guys, आज एक बहुत बड़ा एंड इम्पोर्टेंट पैकेज आया, बट बिफोर दैट आई नीड टू चेक माई मेल। बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है। सो अर्पित का एप्पल कार्ड आया एंड बाकी रूममेट्स की छोटी मोटी मेल आई है, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मेरा फाइनली अपनी कार का नया टैग आ गया है। सो यूएस में अब होता है कि आपको हर साल अपने बर्थडे वाले दिन, आपके बर्थडे वाले दिन आपका टैग एक्सपायर हो जाता है। सो माई एग्जिस्टिंग टैग हैज़ दिसंबर 2020। सो मेरे बर्थडे वाले दिन एक्सपायर हो गया था। सो आई पेड अराउंड $21 एंड दिसंबर 21 का टैग आ चुका है। तो अभी जल्दी लगा लेता हूँ, नहीं तो गुम जाएगा। बाय 2020 ऑल सेट। बॉक्स विद इन अ बॉक्स एंड इसमें है फाइनली बॉक्स विद इन अ बॉक्स एंड इस बॉक्स में है माई ड्रीम व्लॉगिंग कैमरा, जो किसी तरीके से मुझे नॉट एग्जैक्टली फ्री, बट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। तो मैंने सोनी को रीच आउट किया, बट बिफोर दैट यू ऑल नो कि यूट्यूब पे पहले से ही ट्रेंड चल रहा है। लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर ऑलरेडी बाइंग सोनी A7S III, बट दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली सेम कैमरा। बट माई पॉइंट इज कि काफ़ी लोग खरीद रहे हैं, पर मैं उस पोजीशन में नहीं हूँ। मैं आम आपकी तरह एक एवरेज मिडिल क्लास लड़का हूँ, और या फिर कह सकते हैं एवरेज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। तो अभी मेरी औकात नहीं थी अफोर्ड करने के लिए। मैंने सोनी को कहा कि गरीब बंदा आपको रीच आउट कर रहा है, कैन यू गिव मी ए कैमरा फॉर फ्री या स्पॉन्सर कर सकते हो। उन्होंने कहा स्पॉन्सर तो नहीं कर सकते, बट वी कैन गिव यू दिस Sony A7C for rent, so I'll be using it for 2 weeks, and तब जाके मुझे पता चलेगा कि what exactly is the difference between my Sony A6600 या फिर मैं जो iPhone 12 Pro Max से ब्लॉग करता हूँ, थोड़ा डिफरेंस है कि नहीं। वैसे काफ़ी लाइट वेट कैमरा है। एंड दिस इज द Sony 16-35 f2.8 लेंस। सो ये लेंस $2000 का, ये कैमरा भी $2000 का है। सो दिस इज अराउंड $4000 कैमरा सेट। It is incredible, and they have given me the new one for rent. That's amazing. Focus नहीं हो रहा। I'm just shocked. I think मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा settings करनी पड़ेगी because बिल्कुल भी focus नहीं हो रहा अभी। I'm surprised tap to focus भी नहीं चल रहा। This is crazy. It was all because of the lens, जो कि manual focus पे था। मैं अब इसे auto focus पे try करूँगा। Oh my god, it just fell off and थोड़ा सा निशान पड़ गया, but it still works. But anyways, in the meantime, a big shout out to Skillshare. So being a YouTuber, I can only provide limited knowledge of my experience with the camera, but on Skillshare, professionals teach you skills like Photoshop, video editing, or even how to use a DSLR or mirrorless camera. So is this course called Ultimate Guide to a DSLR. So if you will use the link in description below, you will get free trial, and it's going to be for only first 1000 subscribers. So definitely check it out, and after that it's going to be very affordable as well. So finally the new camera is all set up, and now I'm going to using this camera in low light, जिसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। मतलब A7 III जो तकरीबन सारे ब्लॉगर्स यूज़ करते हैं, उसे छोटे साइज़ में डाल दिया एंड साथ में फ्लिप स्क्रीन है। सो इट्स अमेजिंग, एंड आई एम गोना गो विद हर टू पिक अप फूड। पहले बस रेडी हो जाए। सो या वेटिंग फॉर हर टू गेट रेडी।
Hello world.
Be careful.
Gotta have long legs. Which we do because we're 8 and 7 feet tall.
Yeah. And landlord has made some brownies for us with pecan. Pecan is my favorite. Wow. First time landlord's brownie with pecan. Really, really good. We have our keys, yeah.
Okay, I might lock the door if I'm here by myself, but
Awesome.
at my house as well.
Wow, even though it's super dark, you can see a lot in the background.
But like here in Atlanta, we're like in downtown Atlanta, but there's still like streets, you know, that seem like a suburb, you know, just like a neighborhood.
Yeah, that's true.
And hopefully we don't have to pay to park since we're just, complimentary for Tannoor. Okay. Tannoor with Tannoor.
You know the meaning of Tannoor? You know Arabic, right?
Yeah, I don't know Tannoor. I mean, I know Noor is light, right?
Is that a yogurt?
I don't know. Is it yogurt? Is it sauce that comes with it? I can take it. Ooh, I love the pita bread. I know it's not healthy, but I love it. Ooh, look. Oh, see, I got one hot sauce. Oh, here's the sauce. Oh, hummus. garlic sauce.
That's interesting. Again, I think New York has this similar kind of food in street, right?
Oh,
like
yeah.
Gyro. It's similar to Gyro, right?
Yes, yeah. It's the same basically. Yeah.
It's same, okay.
Yeah.
But when New York it was for $6, but here it's like it's $10. But anyways,
Yeah.
So
It looks so
impressed.
good, doesn't it?
Yeah, the quality is so good.
Oh.
You mean the food?
Yeah.
Chinese?
No, it's
Middle Eastern.
Middle
Middle
Eastern.
Eastern. Oh, it's got like little bread.
yeah.
Pita bread, yeah.
Pita bread, yeah, with
Yeah.
chicken and rice. And
Yeah.
Yep. And have you been to New York? Have you tried their gyros? They're so good,
To
right?
New York?
Yeah.
I've been to New York City before, many times.
Yeah, but they have
When I was younger.
but they have better shawarma than here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I
Yeah.
would taste.
Have you tried theirs?
No, not
In New
here.
York. In New York. In New York.
In New York City?
Yeah.
No.
You didn't try their gyros and street food?
It is really good. I know it sounds sketchy, but it's good. Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
Friends,
Who do you think Princess Leia will end up with? Luke or Han?
So next day with the camera, and abhi mujhe fatafat I need to clear the kitchen because landlord is coming soon, and then I have a special surprise at my uncle's house. So this is the chair from flexispot.com. So abhi ye replace karegi, and this will be at my mom's desk. Wow, color match bhi kar raha hai, right? The color matches with this combination, right? There's something. Matches very well now. Yeah. So how's it?
Good.
पहले वाला better है कि just like before? No difference.
First one was like a leather or some kind of a leather, but
Yeah.
more movable.
Yeah.
That was like more stuck at
yeah.
one
तो
place.
see, neck भी move कर सकते हो headrest. Hi Jazz.
Hey, new chair.
Nice.
Thanks. The best.
Awesome. Lovely chair, yaar. So use the link in description below to order yours today from FlexiSpot, and you'll get $10 discount on your first order.
So which one is better? This or that? Otherwise, I'll give this to Sejal.
This one is better for sure.
one's
The
better.
back, back straight in there. So
Okay.
back straight, keep like back remain straight. So this is programming कर रहे होगे, you know.
Sorry?
तो ਤੁਸੀਂ Linux नहीं use करते programming लिए?
We have the remote desktop. So
Remote desktop. Oh, so you virtually control from here. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so today the time has come to return this camera, which I bought for free, or you can say on 100% discount. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, आप देखते हो कि Sony पे या B&H Photo पे या किसी वेबसाइट पे या Best Buy पे there's like 30% discount, 40% discount. So this camera is like $4,000. My camera is like $1,400 to $1,600. मैंने discount पे लिया था, so it's like $1,400. Sony है $6,600. But आप जब discount देखते हो, ये भूल जाते हो कि there's always an option to get it on 100% discount as well. That is by choosing not to buy or just by trying it. I rented it. मैं खरीद के return नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I just rented it. So Sony sent it to me from lensrentals.com for absolutely free. So thank you so much to Sony for that. But आप भी rent कर सकते हो and experience the fun of using like a $4,000 camera या फिर 3 लाख रुपए का camera. It is fun overall and I liked it. And for my fitness goal this year, I just ordered my protein bar, protein shaker, and also whey protein. क्योंकि मैंने realize किया कि जो मैंने US से मतलब प्रोटीन बार खरीदी थी, उसमें बाहर तो बड़ा बड़ा लिखा हुआ था 0 grams sugar and 20 grams protein. But when I flipped, things changed क्योंकि पीछे लिखा हुआ है there is 13 grams of sugar alcohol. So luckily this has only 2 grams sugar और 0 grams के भी option है, but I ordered this one, so really excited, and I'll give you a review soon as well.